Hey everyone, I'm Kelly of KellyCreates, and I'm going to share my bullet journal. I'm a little bit nervous about it. I didn't do too bad of a job, but I made a lot of mistakes, so I thought as I am going along, I would share them with you. So this is my 2019 setup, and I have kind of a deep, dark secret about myself. I have a lot going on with my lettering life, but I'm not super organized, so I am going to try really hard with planners and journals this year to keep me on track, and I hope that will turn out well for all of us. So I'll share some of it here on my YouTube channel, and here we go. Let's take a look. I started out with my Deluxe Lettering Kit, and I'm making a mandala border with my mandala stamps for the key. And when I decided upon what icons to use for the key, honestly, I just looked around online and I saw what everybody else was using, and I kind of chose and modified and made my own list. Then on the right side, I decided to put my 2019 cover page. Again, I wanted to have a unified look, so I added that mandala stamp at the top and bottom to frame it. And I used my pink Petal Meadow Dream Pen that with some ribbon style lettering that I've been working on lately, and a little bit of a quote because I think this year is going to be a big adventure for me. On the left, if you see, I put a notebook under this journal on the left side, so I had a flat, even surface to work with. And then to do the stamping, I put a little thin foam pad it's like just this foam pad I got at the craft store. And I added my word learn with my dream pen, my word of the year. That's my little banner stamp. I've tried to use my other ruler that's wood from my Deluxe Lettering Kit to write these lines. And honestly, I had to stop the camera and I agonized and measured and agonized and measured. And then I used a pencil to mark it in. And then I started filming again because I gave up trying to figure it out. And I still made a mistake. Look at the third row. I had to move my days of the week a row to the bottom of the box because it didn't work out. I love this little journaling stamp set. I just pop on those little calligraphy months and I just stamp them out with my black ink pad. And then I added the days of the week in each just freehand with my fine liner. Then I took a couple of my new multicolor bullet tip pens in the pink and the purple, and I wrote out the days. And actually I screwed up the very first one, the January. I have 6 days on that fourth row, and I'll go back and fix it. I'll either cut out a piece of paper from another journal and add it on top with a new one or something like that. And then I realized like if you look in June, I actually I'm missing another day. So if the day goes to the 31st and I have to cycle back and I'm at the end of the box, I guess I have to make my boxes a little bit bigger next time. I was going to just leave this black and white, and then I decided to keep the pink theme going on, and I added also for some dimension these little calendar lines. They're super easy to add, and I think it makes a big difference. My future log is next. Your future log basically is the months. I put 3 on a page. That's what I've seen done most commonly, and my future log lettering drove me crazy because I added those lines as a drop shadow and it just looked like these hairy letters, so then I had to kind of fix it. Then I just did a script, kind of an easy script across each top line and created those same calendar looking blocks, squares. So again, this is kind of to have a month at a glance, but just to be able to write a little bit more, and I think this is a great idea, this future log. I just added the arrows on top and outlined them with my dream pen and fine liner. Now I'm going to have my goals page. I don't know why that 9 is super big. Now in the future what I will do is I will draw 2 lines along my dots because honestly I know there's dots there, but I don't really follow them. I chose 4 categories for my goals: fitness, personal, art, and career, and then I decided to add the organization one on the bottom because that's a big goal of mine. This travel page I'm really excited about. I decided to do a large globe and then that Dr. Seuss little quote, "Oh, the places you'll go," added that little um, paper airplane. And then I was going to draw a globe, and I decided forget that. I went online and found a globe with all the countries at one glance, and I glued it in there to make it really kind of professional looking. I like that way better. I decided to add a TV and a book page. I actually didn't watch any TV until this past few months. I started to watch more TV. I think it was because I don't know. I just kept hearing everybody talk about shows on Netflix. So I watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine on Netflix, and now I'm watching Suits. Um, Now I decided to do on this next spread my a photo page. I saw a few other people add kind of a photo of the year, sorry, a photo of for every month. So I will have 12 spots, and then I will add little photos as I go along. And I might not do it every month. I might do it every like second month, or who knows what'll happen. But I'll try to keep them Polaroid or square size. Maybe I'll print them off from my Instagram. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So that's all I'm doing here. And then I added a drop shadow with my multicolored bullet tip pen to keep that pink theme going, which I'm already getting tired of. And I didn't like that blank space there, so I initially thought I'd do 6 and 6. So then I thought I'd add a quote with my brush pen. And then I went back before to check everything that I had done, and I realized I had actually started on page 3. So I had 2 blank pages at the beginning, and I thought I'll just add a quote and some mandala stamps. So that's it, and here is the flip through. That's my opening quote, my key, my cover page, the word of the year, my year at a glance. Here's my future log. And then we have my goals page and my travel page. I'll be doing a lot of traveling, so that's going to be filled up, I think, this year doing teaching workshops. My TV page and reading books page, and then my social media page, along with my photos. And that's that. So thanks for watching. I hope I can keep this up, and I'll see you next time.